Hello children, hope you all fine and enjoy this online video session. In this session, we are going to discuss about my hobbies. Do you have any good hobbies? Yes, it is helpful to our life to lead it happily. Come, let's move on to this video session. Lesson 2, Prose, and the topic is my hobbies. What do you mean by hobby? An activity done regularly in one's leisure time for pleasure. That is the hobby. Let us see what are all the common hobbies. Let me see the picture. These are some of the common hobbies. Do it yourself. Hi, I'm Vinod. When I was young, my parents and other elders did everything for me. Now, I wash my own clothes. I fold all clothes neatly. I love to do my work on my own. I am a DIY kid. What do you mean by DIY kid? Do it yourself. That is the stereo form of this DIY kid. So in these lines, what Vinod said, when he was a small boy, his parents and others did everything for him. Now he itself wash his own clothes. He itself fold all the clothes neatly, and he loves to do the work on his own. In this lesson, he introduces his friends and their hobbies. Let me see. Hi, I'm Rosie. I learned to ride a bicycle when I was 9 years old. I ride my bicycle every day. I enjoy cycling. Rosie's hobby was cycling. She started riding a bicycle from 9 years old. Every day she used to ride a bicycle and she enjoys cycling. Hi, I'm Meghalai. I swim with elders in a well. I compete with them. I am fond of swimming. Meghalai is very much fond of swimming. She can able to compete with elders also. Hi, I'm James. I have my own garden. I water it every day. I love gardening. James have his own garden and gardening is his hobby. He loves to do so. Hi, I'm Alia. I sew my torn clothes. I hem the border. I'm always keen to stitch. What do you mean by the word sew? Sew means making stitches with a needle. So stitching is the main hobby of Alia. She hemmed the border and she is very much keen to stitch. Hi, I'm Raju. I help by cleaning grains and cereals. I'm good at cooking. I like slicing, cutting or chopping fruits and vegetables. I prepare a few simple dishes. What do you mean by cereals? Cereals means grains used for cooking food. And what do you mean by slicing? Slicing means cut into small pieces. So in this lesson, Raju has different types of hobbies. First one, cooking simple dishes and cleaning the grains and cereals. And the third one is cutting or chopping the fruits and vegetables. Develop some good hobbies that makes you energetic. Glossary. DIY kid. That means do it yourself kid. That means someone who does any work on their own. Second one, sew. Making stitches with a needle. Third one, cereals. Grains used for food. Slicing. Cut into slices. Let us see some exercise part. See the first picture. There were two girls. The conversation between the two girls. One girl is asking, catch the hare. See the second picture. That girl catches the other girl's hair. She sounds, ha, not my hair. See the third picture. I said that hair. She shows the animal hair. What do you think happened there? She got confused between hair and hair. These two words sounds the same, but the spelling and meaning are different. Such words are called homophones. There are many homophones. Come, let us learn a few. Let's move on to the first picture. S-A-L-E, sale. Sale means to sell the goods or things. Second one, S-A-I-L, sail. Sail means to travel in the boat. And move on to the second picture. Pair, P-A-I-R, pair. Pair means two socks. We call it as a pair of socks. Next one, P-E-A-R, pear. Pear is a kind of fruit. Desert, D-E-S-E-R-T, desert. Desert is a sandy area. D-E-S-S-E-R-T, this is also a desert. Desert means after lunch or dinner, we should eat some ice creams or fruits, no? That is a dessert. Move on to the last picture. R-E-A-D, read. Read means to read the newspaper or to read the books. R-E-E-D, read. Reed is a kind of plant which belongs to grass family. It is a plant, leafy part of a plant. Let me see some more examples for homophones. You should look at the picture and tick the correct spelling which belongs to the picture. See the first one, D-E-E-R, deer. D-E-A-R, deer. So which spelling is correct? Yes, it is D-E-E-R. Shall we move on to the second picture? Yes, I. Second spelling is E-Y-E, I. So which one is correct? E-Y-E is correct. Yes. Move on to the third picture. Buy. B-Y buy. B-U-Y buy. Which one is correct? Yes, it is B-U-Y. Buy is correct. M-E-A-T meet. M-E-E-T meet. In this picture, two friends meet each other. So which spelling is correct? M-E-E-T is correct. Next one. W-A-S-T-E waste. Waste means disposable things. W-A-I-S-T waste. So which spelling is correct? W-A-S-T-E is the correct spelling. Move on to the last picture. R-I-G-H-T right. W-R-I-T-E right. Which one is correct? W-R-I-T-E is correct. Let me start another exercise. Connect and write the homophones in the box. Now we have to match the same pronunciation words. Okay. Yes, first one. C. S-E-A-C. So it should be matched with S-E-E-C. Second one. O-N-E-1. It is correctly matched for W-O-N, 1. The last one, flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Which one is correct answer? Flower. Yes. F-L-O-U-R, flower. It is correct. Let me move on to the exercise part C. Write the homophone for the given word and draw the picture. So what is the picture and the word given? S-O-N, sun. So now we have to write the same pronunciation, but it gives different meaning and different spelling. Let me choose sun. Yes. S-U-N. It is the apt homophone for sun. Now, let me do some more homophones. We have to choose the correct homophones which is suitable for the sentence. First one, I saw a bee on the floor. Which spelling is correct? B, B-E-E is the correct. The second one, the wind blew off the leaves. Which spelling is correct? B-L-E-W, blew is the correct answer. Third one, what did you buy at the store? Which one is the correct spelling? B-U-Y is the correct spelling. You should never lie to your parents. So which homophones is correct? L-I-E is the correct answer. Hope you all understood about the homophones. The same pronunciation, but it gives different spelling and different meanings.